I do. I read every single document, even lawyers that I've worked with 30 or more times. I still read every piece of paper because sometimes, the paralegal puts in the wrong legal description or they put in the wrong name or something. You still have to check and look at every single piece of paper. If I were not a lawyer, then until I got really comfortable with that lawyer's paperwork, I would have my own lawyer review it because your paperwork will make you or break you. And in my 21 years, I've had 2 properties that I had to threaten foreclosure on. And the only reason they both ended up either selling or refinancing me out. So I never had to go through foreclosure. But the only reason I was never worried about it was because I knew without a doubt, 1000% that my paperwork was rock solid and I was protected. I cannot tell you how many deals I have seen where people don't understand the paperwork, don't read the paperwork, and when things go south, they are up the proverbial creek without a paddle because they have no paperwork to grant them any legal recourse. I've seen people, and I've been told I can share this story. I won't give any names, but someone who thought they were loaning $1 million to somebody in the Richmond area, who's hopefully no longer doing these deals. And turns out they didn't really read the paperwork, and it wasn't loan paperwork at all. There was no first lien position. There was no mortgage or deed of trust. It was set up as essentially a JV type thing, an LLC agreement where the borrower in quotes, had all the power. And that particular person had to spend 3 or 4 years going to court, and got their money back minus about the $100,000 in legal fees they had to pay.